Hey everyone, if there is no sound in Opera GX, audio is not playing, or videos are completely silent, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to restore audio in Opera GX. First, check your system volume. Sometimes the issue is just muted speakers or very low volume. Next, make sure the Opera GX tab or website is not muted. Yeah, browsers sometimes mute individual tabs accidentally. Try restarting Opera GX. Temporary glitches can sometimes break audio playback. Make sure the correct audio device is selected. So if sound is going to the wrong output, you won't hear anything. Some extensions can interfere with media playback. Try disabling them temporarily to test audio. Corrupted cache can affect media loading. Yeah, clearing browser data may fix audio issues. Make sure sound permissions are enabled for the site you're using. Sometimes websites block sound by default. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause audio and video glitches. Turning it off may fix the issue. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Yeah, outdated versions can cause media playback issues. Sometimes system audio services stop working properly, so restarting them can restore sound in your browser. If nothing works, update or reinstall your audio drivers. This can fix deeper system-level sound issues. If the issue continues, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose browser-specific audio problems. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX audio not working and restore sound in your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.